In my last class, I will discuss 8-point DFT using DIT algorithm method. And now I will discuss 8-point DFT using DIF algorithm method. So let us consider one example, that is find the 8-point DFT of sequence 21210000 using DIF FFT algorithm. And draw the signal flow graph for n equal to 8 with intermediate values. So for DIF FFT algorithm, first, so our solution xn, that will be given 21210000. So first DIF algorithm. So DIF algorithm, the butterfly basic operation, if this is considered as A, this is B. So multiplication, Twiddle factor, omega n k. So multiplication will be A plus B and A minus B multiplication with omega n k. And for 8-point DFT, the value of Twiddle factor, that is omega n k, that is omega 80, that value is 1, omega 8 1, that value is 0.707 minus j 0.707, omega 8 2 value is minus j, and omega 8 3 value, that is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, and the bit reversal process is needed. In DIF, the input sequence as a binary sequence, but the result will be taken as a bit reversal form. So bit reversal, that is 0 representation in 3 digit, because DIF, the 8-point DFT, that will be 2 to the power 3, so that would be 3 stage. So binary representation in 3 digit. Three, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And bit reversal, that is the mirror image of the same. So that will be 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. So that will be 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 and 7. So first sequence will be taken in order, that will be x0, that value is 2, x1, that is 1, x2, that will be 2, x3, that will be 1, and rest will be 0. So this will be 8-point DFT. So 3 stage. First stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So stage 1, that will be like this is point A, so this will be taken as A. So from here to number 4, and this will be taken as a B. So here twiddle factor, that is omega 8 0. So first multiplication, that will be considered as a x0 A and x4 value, that is B. So value of A is 2 and value of B is 0. So here the multiplication, butterfly multiplication is like that: A and B, that will be A plus B and A minus B into twiddle factor. So twiddle factor value, that is 1 for the first case. So the multiplication will be 2 A plus B, and this will be also 2. So similarly we can perform the next operation from x1 to x5 and from x5 to x1. That twiddle factor is omega 8 1, and that value will be A plus B 1 and minus B into twiddle factor value, that is 0.707 minus J 0.707. So that value will be 0.707 minus J 0.707. And similarly for x2 to x6, x6 to x2, that twiddle factor value, that is omega 8 2. That value, twiddle factor value, that is minus J. So multiplication, that is A and that is B. So that is 2 and that value will be minus J2. And similarly for the last case, that twiddle factor value, that is omega 8 3, that value will be minus 7.07 minus J 0.707. So that multiplication will be 1 and that value will be minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So this is the complete operation of stage 1. So for next stage, for stage 2 operation, that will be like this. That twiddle factor value, that is omega 8 0. So that value will be 2 and 2, that will be 4 and that will be 0. For the similarly next case, that twiddle factor value, that is omega 8 2. So that is minus J. So multiplication will be 2 and that will be 0. So similarly for the next step. H0 2 minus J2, and that value will be 2 plus J2. Similarly, the Tweedle vector value is omega 8 2 that value will be minus J 1.414, and that value will be minus J 1.414. So this is the stage 2 operation, and now for stage 3. Stage 3 operation, that is only Tweedle factor omega 8 0. So A value, that is 4, B value is 2, so that value will be 6, that value will be 2. That is omega 8 0. Similarly 0 and 0, so both value will be 0 and 0. Similarly omega 8 0, that value will be 2 minus J 3.414, that value will be 2 minus J 0.586. And similarly for the last case, Tweedle factor, that is omega 8 0, A value is this, B value is this, so this value will be 2 plus J 0.586, that value will be 2 plus J 3.414. So the output sequence, that will be in bit reversal form in DIF. So that will be starting that 6 value, that is value of x0, that is like value is x4. So that value, that will be x2, that value will be x6, and that value, that is x1. So that value equal to x5, that value is x3, that value is x7. So the output sequence, that will be like this: 6 x0, that value is 6, then x1 value, that is 2 minus J 3.414, that x2 value, that will be 0, then x3 value, that is 2 plus J 0.586, then x4 value, that will be 2, then x5 value, that is this, that is 2 minus J 0.586, then x6 value, that will be 0, then x7 value, that is this, that is 2 plus J 3.414. So that is the answer. So thank you for watching 3-point DIF algorithm method.